hold your breath. It doesn't get on you. Good, Ava. I'm going to chafe you again. Yes, I do. Ready? Yay! Good job. Michaela, you're a good example. You started something. That's good. She's wanting to keep up with you. Move back, Pop, she said. Good job. Wow, that was long. She still doesn't have the idea how you get up from it, though. Yeah. Well, you have to use your arms to get up. That's how you use your arms. You have to flap them. Good. You?
Mommy, you have to be gone. I said gone. I can't like that.
Good, Ava. Pop, y'all scoot over this way a little bit.